You know you're an adult when getting a new vacuum cleaner brings you way too much joy. I'm so excited for this one, and I was just sent it. I chose the purple color, and at first I wasn't sure how much I would like it, but I am kind of obsessed. It actually has like a little bit of sparkle in there too. So let's put it together. It comes with all the pieces you need. This is the battery. We're gonna go ahead and slide that on. Like just like that. And then this is the charging cord. You do want to charge it ahead of time. And then all the pieces just fit together very, very easily. I was shocked at how simple it was just to click everything into place. Once you've clicked this one in, if you want to make it longer, you can, or you can make it shorter. So simple. And then this would just be pressed to take that off if you want to take that off. Okay, so let's clip that in. And then you have the main vacuum here, or there's little attachments as well. So if you want to do any of the little attachments, just put them in, clip, simple, very, very easy to clip in. And then you also have this style as well. So I love all the functionality and how simple that is to use. But we're gonna vacuum with our main vacuum. So let's pop that in and let's get ready. Here is where all the debris is going to collect. There is a button over here for bin removal. And then if you want it to have everything come out, you push this button right here. So very easy for this to all drop into a trash, and then when you want to take this off to clean it, you can. Let's talk about the top screen. Once I turn this on, there's going to be some noise. I haven't fully charged it, so you can see it's only at 70% right now. And then there's a turbo mode, which is so cool. Let's see it in action. I was shocked at how great this does on carpeting, and the fact that my dog just laid there and wasn't bothered one bit by the noise. A lot of dogs just can't stand vacuum cleaners. In the past, he has definitely barked a lot. Now, on the hard floor, it did really, really good too. You can also use it on stairs. Very, very simple. I love how lightweight it is. I love that it has that light. So if you're in a darker area, you can see what you're vacuuming up. So easy to get underneath stuff. Look at it go under the dishwasher. Has that great swivel as well. So I am thoroughly impressed at how easy it is to use. Whether you go from carpeting, a rug, a textured rug like this one, to hard floors, and then when you want that turbo boost, just hit that button and it cranks it up a little more. You think your floors aren't too dirty, and then look how much it picks up in just a few minutes. When done vacuuming, simply plug the charger in. It will blink red till it's fully charged, and that is it. Such a simple vacuum to use, and I'm absolutely amazed my dog was not bothered at all by the noise.